Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with both accounts open and accessible. Log into Facebook and LinkedIn now. Once done, verify emails and enable two-factor authentication so permissions are safe. Next, choose scope. Will you share personal posts, a page feed, or only profile links? Make sure Facebook privacy lets third-party apps read posts, because without read access you can't forward content. Finally, gather any page admin rights or LinkedIn company admin roles you need. These are required steps before you grant permissions later in the process. Open the integration area on the platform where the link is initiated, often Facebook's business integrations or LinkedIn's partner apps. Choose the app or connector you plan to use and click Authorize. Accept only the permissions required, such as profile access and publish rights. If linking a Facebook page to LinkedIn, select the correct page and the LinkedIn company page or profile destination. Once you approve, watch for confirmation prompts. Make sure audience visibility is set correctly so you don't accidentally post private content. Finish by creating a test post on Facebook and immediately check LinkedIn for the mirrored post. If nothing appears, first re-log in on both platforms and clear cache, then reauthorize the connector to refresh tokens. Make sure you still hold admin roles for any pages involved, because lost admin rights block publishing. If errors persist, revoke the app's permissions and grant them again. This often re-establishes the correct scopes. Finally, adjust visibility and audience settings on the live post so it reaches the right people.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.